This video will look at completing a problem that asks the question whether or not the dose is safe and involves the patient's weight. First, we'll read the problem. Ordered: ampicillin 60 milligrams every 8 hours IM. Baby weighs 6 pounds 2 ounces today. Safe range for babies weighing less than 20 kilograms is 50 milligrams per kilogram per day in divided doses for 24 hours. On hand is 125 milligrams per 5 milliliters. How many milliliters would you give? And is this a safe dose for an infant this size? Let's deal with the first question. How many milliliters? This is what we consider a basic dosing question. There's no time involved, so it fits directly into the nursing formula. Desired over have times quantity. In the problem, the desired amount is the order, which is the 60 milligrams. What we have on hand is 125 milligrams in a quantity of 5 milliliters. So we can take these numbers and substitute them into the nursing formula, and then we're ready to complete our math. And entering this into our calculator, we get that we should give 2.4 milliliters. Keep in mind that there are other ways to do a dosing problem. So if you can prefer, you can set this up as a proportion. In the proportion, remember that like units have to be in the same part of the fraction. So when the fractions are equal, matching units are at the same spot. We cross multiply here, and so we get 300 equals 125x, and we divide by 125, so again x equals 2.4 milliliters. And finally, the third method for completing this calculation is to use the dimensional analysis. In the dimensional analysis, we'll take the dose that's ordered, which is the 60, and put it over 1 to have it in fraction form. We want our labels to cancel, and so again we do the math and we get 2.4 milliliters. Now let's focus on the second question. The second question is the safe question. So in the problem, we're given information about the safe range, and we see that the information is based on the baby's weight. So we need to start by converting the baby's weight to kilograms. So we have 2 ounces. We need to get ounces into pounds, and we know that there are 16 ounces in a pound. So we do this division, we get 0.125 pounds. But this is not the total weight. The baby actually weighs 6.125 pounds. Now we need to convert this to kilograms, and we know the conversion there is 2.2 pounds into a kilogram. So we divide by 2.2, and I'm going to round my answer to tenths. So I get 2.8 kilograms. Next, I need to use the safe information. And so in the problem, I am told that 50 milligrams per kilogram per day is safe. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to multiply it times the baby's weight. And by doing this as multiplication, the kilograms cancel. So I get a safe amount is 140 milligrams per day. Now, to determine if the order is safe, I have to go back to the order, and I look at the timing of the order. It's 60 milligrams every 8 hours. So if I take the 24 hours in a day and divide it by 8, I realize that this means the baby will get 3 doses. So if I take the 60 milligrams that's ordered times the 3 doses, I figure out that the baby will get 180 milligrams per day. This is above the safe amount. The safe amount is 140, and this is 40 milligrams extra. This is not safe. So I answer no, because these amounts, the safe amount and the ordered amount, do not match.